Here is how to share a calendar with staff in Clio Manage, step by step. Begin by opening Clio Manage and signing into your account if you are not already on the main screen. Once you are inside the platform, look to the left sidebar where the main navigation options are listed. From there, select Calendar. This opens the Calendar area where you can view scheduling information and manage calendar-related settings. At the top of the calendar page, find the More option and click it. This opens additional actions connected to the calendar. In that menu, select Calendar Sharing. This takes you to the section where you can control who has access to a calendar and what level of access they receive. On the Calendar Sharing page, locate the Calendar field. Use this field to choose the specific calendar you want to share with staff. If your account includes more than one calendar, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward, since the sharing settings you apply here will affect only that calendar. After selecting the calendar, click Add Calendar Share. This opens the sharing form for a new user or group. You will now see the option labeled User or Group. In this field, select the staff member or the staff group that should receive access to the calendar. If your office uses groups for departments or teams, choosing a group can apply the same access setting to multiple people at once. If you only need to share with one person, select that individual staff member instead. Next, move to the Permissions field. Here, choose the level of access you want that person or group to have. For example, you might choose Editor if that user should be able to make changes to the calendar. The permission level you select determines what that staff member or group can do after the calendar is shared. So take a moment to confirm that the setting matches the access you intend to provide. Once the user or group and permissions fields are both set, click Update Calendar to save the change. This applies the sharing settings to the selected calendar and updates access for the staff member or group you chose. If the page refreshes or returns you to the sharing view, that usually confirms the update has been saved. If you need to check your work, stay on the calendar sharing page and look at the current sharing setup for that calendar. This can help you confirm that the right calendar was selected, the right staff member or group was added, and the intended permission level is now in place. The selected calendar is now shared with your chosen staff member or group in Clio Manage.